Okay, I dare you to show your butt cheeks.
Trust me, I keep a couple hundred in the duffy. Couple wet wipes, case a bum try to touch me. Ew.
What's up, little itty bitty piggies, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Couple Wet Wipes, and today I am back with another video. Today, just guess what type of video I'm gonna be making today. I know this is you guys' favorite, so I'ma just wait. Let's wait. Yes, boo. A monkey video, you guys. I am back with a monkey video part 5. I can't wait to get into it. But before we get into this monkey video, I just wanna tell you guys why I haven't posted in 2 weeks. So it was 1 week I didn't post for, which is still bad. I shouldn't really go more than 2 to 3 days without posting, but I did. And then that weekend I told myself, you know what, you gotta record. So I recorded, and nothing was just turning out the way I wanted it to turn out. I was doing the monkey videos, and I wasn't getting the content that I needed. Things weren't just going the way I wanted it to. Everyone on Monkey was acting really shy. No one wanted to show their face. It was either they weren't showing their face, they had a black screen, or they were moving their hands in motions like these. We don't gotta get into that. So yeah, I decided not to post the monkey video that I recorded last weekend because it was really nothing to post, which got me really upset. So I got pissed off, and I was like, you know, I just gotta take a break. And then a whole nother week went by, and we're here today. So enough about last week. If you haven't pushed that post notification bell already, you need to push that bell right now. Push it to the limit. Yeah, you need to push that. And if you haven't joined the gang already, you might as well join the gang because you're here. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, you guys, if you haven't already. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You can just give it a thumbs up now because you already know all my monkey videos are lit. Ain't nobody on YouTube doing it better than me. So yeah, let's get right into this video, you guys. Sorry if you guys see like any harsh lines right here. When winter time comes around, I usually get lighter. So like my concealer and my foundation, it just gets really hectic because my skin gets lighter and then my foundation's darker and everything's just... Okay, so bear with me for the time being until I get my makeup straightened out, my makeup situation straightened out. For now, I don't know if you guys can see that harsh line. I don't know, did I bring it too much attention to? Oh my gosh. So let me move this way a little because my screen recording is gonna go right here. You guys already know this. And yeah, let's hop on this monkey app. Once again, let's pray to God that my screen recordings do not get deleted because, as you guys know, these screen recordings always fail me. They never want to save, and it's always the good content that doesn't want to save. And then I'm stuck with the crappy content. But yeah, you guys, so let's get right into this video. Say hello to Devin. He's 16 from the US. Already? Alright, say hey to John M. He's 21 from the US.
Back to it. Oh, big head.
Big head? Let me see your face.
Nah.
Let me see your face. You look like an albino Chief Keef. Let me see your face. 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 Say hello to Tyler. He's 19 from Indiana. Oh, I can't hear you. Just add me on Snapchat because I can't hear you. It's you. I can't hear you every time. Can you hear me? What? Dude, I can't hear you. I can't. And he blushing. What you blushing for? I ain't even say nothing. Say it to Dan. He's 30 from New York.
Hey, you.
Dude, I know you're not driving and monkeying.
Nah, I'm only monkeying you, baby. No driving.
But your hand is...
Pink looks good on you.
Oh, really? Okay. This dude has his hand on the steering wheel talking about, nah, baby, I'm not monkey. I'm not monkey. Say hi to Jeff. He's 21 from Georgia. Yes? We FaceTiming right now. Look. We're FaceTiming right now. Face. Oh. Shut your little big toe head ass up. We ain't FaceTiming, boy. Say hey to Osman. He's 19 from Turkey. Hi.
Hi.
Do they have turkey down in Turkey?
Yeah.
Is it good? Are you gonna talk? Well, they got turkey, but they don't got Wi-Fi. Shoot. Say hey to Nino. He's 19 from France. I mean 30. Show your face.
What's up?
What's up? Show your face.
Bruh.
Say hey to Derek. He's 23 from Massachusetts. Yes?
What's up?
What's up? Why you look so confused? Y'all both look confused.
He over.
You okay?
Yeah, sure. I don't know what to do.
What y'all doing on Monkey though? Trying to make some friends. Boy, don't skip me. You look like a hairy ball sack. Don't skip me. You look like a hairy little ball sack. Look. Look. Say hi to Iron. He's 15 from. What? Boy, I ain't had no damn time. Add time for what? For you to say nothing like you did the first 30 seconds? Say hey to Vinay Patel. Vinay Patel. He's 20 from India. Hi. Uh-huh. What's up?
Show me your boobs.
What?
Show me your boobs.
You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings. That's up.
My noobs?
Show me your boobs.
My coobs?
You are very good look.
Huh?
Nice face. Nice face.
Nice face?
Ah,
Oh, yeah.
tell me thank you.
I'm out, man.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Uh-huh.
Show me your boobs.
My tubes? What? Well, you look like roast beef. I'm about to get you. You look like roast beef. Look at your finger. Look like a French fry. Lotion. Get out the camera. Go home. It looks dark out there. Go home. I think you should head to the dinner table, roast beef. You shouldn't be out. You shouldn't be out. There's hungry people right now. What are you doing? What are you doing, roast beef? What are you doing? Say hey to Isaiah. He's 19 from Virginia. You want to show your face? You want to show your face? You're long. Oh my gosh. Woo! They don't want me to get him. Say it to Taran. He's 25 from Nevada.
I like right.
What?
Yeah, what's happening like right?
You want to show your face?
I live rough right now.
Oh, really? But you want to come for me, right?
Huh?
You want to come for me, but you're not showing your face?
Oh, no. I live rough right now.
Boy, you look like a ham sandwich hiding between them two damn pillows. Don't come for me. Say hey to Icy. He's 15 from Maryland. Boy, look at you. Let me see your face. Look at you. No, let me see you. You look your friend look like the Joker. You look like my big toe. You look like my big toe, and your friend look like the Joker. What?
I'm like, what?
You look like my big toe, and your friend looks like the Joker.
I look like her big toe, and you look like the Joker.
Let me see if say hey to my love. He's 31 from Iraq.
Hi.
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 Mhm.
Where are you from?
The U.S.
Okay, from Iraq.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
You're pretty far.
Okay, you want at home?
Hmm?
You want at home?
Yeah.
Oh, will you friend me?
Friend you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Friend, come on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'll do it after because my button doesn't work.
Time and friend.
Mhm. So what do you want? What are you?
No, friend. Friend, come on, friend. You open a friend.
Mhm.
Come on.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
Kiss me. Kiss me.
Your lips don't look good.
You don't kiss me?
Oh, not you though.
Show me your boobs.
My what?
Your boobs.
My cubes?
Yes.
My cubes?
Your boobs.
My noobs? Like B-U-B?
Yes.
Boobs. What's that?
Time.
Time?
Yeah, time.
Time? Rhyme? Time? Like the seasoning?
What time?
Huh? Say hey to Almighty. He's 17 from North Carolina. Hi. Don't skip me. You look like ball sack hair. You look like somebody shaved the hair off their ball sack and put it on top of your head. Say hi to Armand. He's 17 from South Africa.
Hey,
Hey.
at time.
Dude, you want to show your face?
Do I play truth or dare?
Do you want to show your face? Because I'm not going to sit here for a whole minute. Yeah, so truth or dare?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go first. I'll just dare.
Dare?
Yeah.
Okay. I dare you to show your butt cheeks.
I'm out, man.
Hey,
Okay,
my turn.
okay.
Dare.
Okay, I'll dare you to show me your tits.
Okay. Deuces. I know that's all he was waiting for, you guys. Truth or dare never goes smooth and on monkey. Yes? Alright, add time. Add time. Add time. Add time. Add time. Oh, because now I was really about to get you. I was really about to get you. I was really about to get you. Ooh. Say hey to Brian. He's 20 from Mississippi. In the house? Yeah. Say hey to Dizzle. He's 25 from.
Yeah, pardon me, I'm a little scruffy and didn't get the shape of my barber got the flu, you feel me? You got pardon me.
He said his barber got the flu. I am weak. Thank you.
me a little about you. I don't lie.
He said, tell me a little about you. I can't do that right now. I'm recording a video, but hit you up on Snapchat. Say to know he's 23 from Virginia. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, hi, your mom's a hoe.
Show your face.
Your mom's a hoe.
Show your face.
Why you want to see my face?
Oh, look at your hair. Bro, show your face so I could roast you right now.
Roast me, bro. Roast your mama, boy.
Let me see your face. Cause y'all talk all that junk, but you can't show your face.
She said we talk all that stuff, but we can't show our face.
Put your face in the camera. Are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared? Hey, look at you. Your hair look crusty, boy. You look like an ape. You look like an ape. They need to put you on the bape shirts because you look like an ape. Your hair look like crusty curly fries. Your hair look like leftover curly fries. Now I'm about to get you. Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you, Marshmallow. Come on. Show your face. Show your face. No. How old are you? You look like a bobby pin. Sit down. Who won it next? You showing all your friends except yourself. Let me see you. Let me see you. You look like my big toe. Look at your forehead. Boy, you're like 12 years old and your hairline is already receding. Your hairline is already receding. I want to hear nothing from you. Don't say that one in the back, in the gray. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I don't want to hear nothing from you. With your thought teeth. Smile. 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 No, with your teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Smile. Yeah, show your teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth.
Why you want to see his teeth?
Show your teeth. Let me see your teeth. Ugh. You look nasty. So let me see the cameraman. Let me see the cameraman. Let me see the cameraman. Show your whole face, cameraman. You ugly. You ugly. You look like an almond. You look like the inside of an almond. What? What? Curly fries, I don't want to hear nothing from you. I don't want to hear nothing from you. One in the back look like all my life I had to fight, head ass. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. I'm out of here. Say it is Sav SJ. He's 17 from the UK. Something's funny. What's funny, Kunta Kente? What's funny? You look like a roach. Say the Karzon. He's 35 from Iraq.
Hi.
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 Good. You?
What's that?
Show your face. Stop smacking that gum.
You like that? What's the name?
Gum? Gum?
What is the name?
Gum.
Gum?
Mm-hmm.
You like?
Yeah. Not yours, though. Alright. Alright. Say hello to Xavier. He's 22 from Georgia.
Them boys gonna. Hey, girl, your little bigger than the motherfucker. Anybody tell you that?
Ew, look at your head, bro.
Ew,
You look like a penis. You look like my big toe.
Don't come on here, John. And I can't
What?
be nice now. Ain't come on here, John.
What?
I just said her lip big. She talking about looking at my face. She said,
Yeah, look at your face. The person in the back want to show their face too, so I could get you.
Huh?
Cause they got a lot of talk. The people in the back.
What she said? What she talking about? Everybody said no. I said something to you.
Oh, okay. All
That would
right.
be some shit to you.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Why you? No, I'm not apologizing. Get out of here. You think I'm scared because you got a gun? Your little BB gun. Your little BB gun. Yo, you look like your breath stink. Go take care of your. You was trying to talk to me. Okay, add me on Snapchat.
Alright, click friend though.
I did.
got you.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to my channel for Monkey Video Part 6, you guys. Stay tuned. Give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I want you guys to stay up like a layup. Stay cold and never fold. Stay dead ass and never passive. If you do, I'm on that ass, you guys. Couple wet wipes is out.